code provides the instructions that make it possible to create computer applications, websites, software, and more. The browser you're using right now to watch this video was made with code. Code also enables you to customize computer applications in a way that even the creators did not imagine. Rather than being limited to what was originally built, you can change the code in order to control how the program works and make something completely new. To do this, you use the script editor. The script editor is where the program the code that makes it possible to control applications such as Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. The script editor uses a programming language called Apps Script, which is a type of JavaScript. Many websites and web applications use JavaScript. In this lesson, you will use the script editor in Google Slides to program a progress bar. Progress bars are useful because they provide a helpful visual cue, for example, when completing a survey, uploading a video, or installing a piece of software. Your progress bar will indicate how many slides you have presented and how many are left to go. This will help anyone watching your presentation keep track of its progress and make the experience more interesting and enjoyable. Your progress bar will be made of shapes that match the total number of slides you're using in your presentation. Then, as you advance through your presentation, the progress bar will automatically color in the shapes up to the current slide number. To create your progress bar, you will use the programming concept loops. A loop is a sequence of instructions that repeats. Loops save time and reduce coding errors. To work on this lesson, you will use your Google account. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to google.com. If you're not signed in, do so now. If you don't have a Google account, pause the video and create one. Then open Google Slides. Start a new blank presentation. The programming you do in this lesson can be used in any presentation, but because the code will edit your slides, it's best to try it first on a blank slideshow. Next, give your presentation a title. Then move on to the next video to start programming your progress bar. Now, it's your turn. Open a new presentation in Google Slides. Title your presentation and move on to the next video to begin programming.